Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2015 Toyota Sienna XLE. This is a 7-passenger all-wheel drive minivan in Alpine white, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features we got on this Sienna includes a proximity smart key system, roof rails, alongside with power sliding doors and a power liftgate. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button, as well as our power sliding doors and a power liftgate button. Like I mentioned, the Sienna does have a proximity smart key system, so if you have your key fob in your pocket, we can press these 2 lines on the door handle to lock the vehicle. And to unlock it, it's as easy as putting our hand inside the door handle. And before we take a look inside, just to quickly show you in the side view mirror that there is a blind spot monitoring system. On top of the door here, you'll find your power windows, locks, and mirrors. We have some storage space along the entire side of the bottom door. Next to the door, you will find your parking assist and your blind spot monitoring system button that turns that on and off. This Sienna is equipped with beige leather seating, and on the bottom you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. To start it up, just push that brake in and press the engine start button right behind the wheel there. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. You have these arrows right here, and this will just help you cycle through any audio that's playing. You also have your voice recognition system and your hands-free calling. On the right side, you have this cluster, and this will help you navigate through your multi-information display. Behind the wheel, you will find your cruise control. Moving on to our screen here, right now we are on audio sources. You can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB auxiliary, and a Bluetooth device. If we go into reverse, you can see you have a backup camera as well. And if we press this home button, you can see on the left side it displays any device that's connected, and you also have your navigation map on the right. If we press that, that will enlarge and you can set your destination. Down below is your climate control system. It is a tri-zone, so you can adjust the temperature for yourself. The passenger next to you can do so as well, and you also have this dial right here for the passengers in the back. Underneath, you'll find your USB and auxiliary, as well as your 12-volt outlet, your driver and passenger heated seats, and we can press this button, and you got 2 cup holders that come out for you. We have some storage space on the bottom here. You'll find another 12-volt outlet down there as well. 2 cup holders here, and a center console, providing plenty of space. Just open that button up. To open up the back, it's as easy as holding the button on the key fob, and that power sliding door will open on its own for us. In the back here, of course, we are continuing with the beige leather seating. Behind the center console, we can pull this down. The second row passengers have 2 cup holders. We also have some storage compartments behind the front seats. The second row seating does fold down. All we got to do is just lift this upwards. That'll fold in, and we can slide that forward, giving you access to your 3rd row seating. To open up the cargo, it's as easy as holding that bottom button on the key fob, and that power liftgate will open on its own. Taking a look inside here, you can see even with the 3rd row seating up, there is still plenty of storage space in the back. We also have some compartments on the left side. We can fold these seats down just by pulling on this handle, and they tuck right into place, giving you even more space. And of course, like I mentioned, the 2nd row seating does fold in case you need that extra bit of room. We can also look in the back here. The 3rd row passengers have their own storage compartments and 2 cup holders, and of course we got on both sides. To close up, we got this button up top. Just give that a press and that power liftgate will close on its own. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna. Once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, backup camera, and navigation. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Avenue, St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.